Okay, finally, I'm being happy really because what I expected to be happen is happened, and I could capture the trade too. That's what I'm happy because every time I may anticipate this move, it may work, and I would fear to enter, and it will happen. Okay, it happens. Started to happen now. Okay, that's the truth, because this swing entry I'm following it. Okay, so from weekly, let me check this. Okay, let me show you from start to what right now doing. Okay, weekly you can see it's a nice bearish market. We broke this low. What I'm expecting next is a pullback. That's all. Okay, when the pullback starts and a 4 hours break of structure happens, see, you can see clearly big red candle, small candle, next doji, next a bullish candle, next a doji, and next a bullish candle. I'm expecting this candle to be happen in here, but it happened this week. I expected this to happen in previous week, but it happened this week. I'll explain my mistake and my good trades here. Okay, can clearly see this. I don't know this is a support or what, I really don't know. This is the order block according to me which break this high. Okay, it came, we broke. It's a minor break of structure here, but which doesn't follows here. My mistake was, I thought when it started to go down, I thought it's a downtrend. I should have entered here, but that's totally fine. That was my mistake, and now I can confidently enter trade when 4 hour break of structure happens after a correction here, because we have long range. See, I captured here and kept my stop. I will explain it, but think of here, if I capture here, this 2 weeks will be a nice good entry. Okay, I think still it has room to go. See, we could capture it in the weekly bottom, so you should understand. So next week I'm anticipating to be a little bit put back and started to go up. That's what I'm expecting. A little bit weak and started another bullish candle like this. This week, this week, this week, this week, this week, like this. It should form blue color candle, and I should identify where the bottom wick will be appear. That's my job now for next week plans. Where will be the next week down to enter there. Okay, this is the entry which I'm saying, this week low. Okay, this is the previous week low. You can see, let me mark this. This is the low, and this is the second low, and this is the low. Okay, it's good to see my plan works, and I took entry around here. So you can see totally previous week was a doji candle, and this week you can clearly say this is the week starts. Okay, from here started to fell down for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It started around yesterday or before that day, it started to go up. Okay, which day? 13th. It broke the structure in 15 minutes. I should have captured here, but I saw the huge rejection here. I took entry here. Now it's in stop loss is in break even, so it's still running. It has huge potential to go up to, but I will close this trade when this week ends. And this is the setup which I am confident right now. 4 hours break of structure, anticipating to catch the swings. Okay, weekly candles. The same setup happened in multiple times, and I will show you each and every time it happened. Okay, this is the CAD GPY, CAD chef, you can see. But I couldn't manage to capture this trade because it didn't give any entry signals. Okay, we go to the 4 hours. Okay, this is the 4 hours break of structure. This is the final high. This is the final high which broke this low, and we broke the high which made this low. Okay, this is the break of structure. It came to correction. It mitigated around the 60 golden area and started to go up. My entry should be here. I am actually seeing this here. Okay, whether I want to enter this trade here, I'm still scared. Okay, because we have plenty of here, so it's okay. If it prints another time, I'll go take entry, and we have huge potential. What if, okay, I have nothing to say here. It works, that's all I could say. And we didn't get any inner 15 minutes good entry to play inside. Okay, and you can see in this is my next trade. Okay, which is running. We have totally 3 trades running right now. One is a New Zealand chef, this trade. And next, EURAUD, which prints beautiful structures. Okay, same principle. 4 hours break of structure. This is the low which create this high, so we broke this low, we came to that golden area and started to fall down. Can clearly see it respected every 15 minute swing highs. Okay, here is where I captured here, and I could capture here the same trade. It's like I captured at the week high and letting my profits go to that week low. We still have a plenty of room to go down, but I may close this trade. This is works. That's only I'm so happy about this. This is swing entries, and we could play if it prints beautiful 15 minutes inner structure. We could play intraday here inside. See why I take this trade in this area. I'll explain it. I am been trading from here. This should be in my entry, just a single entry. Okay, this should be in my swing entry, but I didn't took this entry. I'm scared and closed me at point, not even 1%, 1:1. Closed here, feared. And here I stopped fearing. Okay, I know it's going down. Let me keep this stop loss. Here it hit my stop loss. Here it my stop loss. Here it's my stop loss. Head frustrated. When I feared and closed my 1:1, 1:2 and break even, it went down. Okay, when I kept my stop loss, it also hit my stop loss. Okay, I really want to train my mind to identify the good trades and hold them, and to identify bad trades, and I should not take that. If I took, I need to exit as soon as possible. Okay, this is the major trend line. Okay, this is the major trend line, and we have a minor trend line, inner trend line. Okay, we broke this inner trend line, and we have an order block here. 50% mitigated, it came down. I thought taking sell from here, but it respected this trend line to push market up, but it couldn't break this high. Okay, this is the previous 15 minutes low, swing high. Okay, and here is the weekly opened. Okay, market opened around here. Okay, this red color line is the week high, but I could surely say it didn't have a top wick. Okay, and it started to fell down here. Okay, and I expect to market to come here and fell down, but it came here. and we have a CPI news here, and news came, it went up, it couldn't break this high. So you understand, if the big news can't break that high, it's still following the same trend. So I put sell around here, this area, kept my stop loss here. I kept my stop loss and I went to sleep. That's all. I didn't care any more, any less, and it went like good. And I still scared here. See, it still didn't broke here this low, and I took multiple entries here, break even, stop loss, break even, like happened 2-3 trades. And this is the final structure where I took entry. It should be an entry with here with a 50% order block. I should enter stop loss above this area. That will be a nice entry, but this is also a nice entry. But to be frank, I was scared in this because I went to the so minor time frame and started to see every. You can see how much trend lines I drawn in 1 minute. See here, 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 this trend line. I thought of doing in a. Clearly, I understand the session's important. American session is greater session. New York session right now, I'm not interested in that. It's only giving some falsy. This is the New York. This is Asian. This is New York, and I think it's like what they say. We manipulated. We ranged and we dropped down. That's exactly what happened. It's a good. I captured here too, and I was scared to enter again here. I was entering here 2-3 times, but I was scared to enter here in every trades. I want to really learn, really know to understand where the market is heading first, direction first. Second, I really want to learn how to add my positions when it goes in my direction. That I'm not doing it properly. I think so. Here, I did this same mistake, so I didn't do here. I circled it so that I can record. I can remember it every day. Okay. I took a trade which came down and we have order block. It gave a 15 minutes bullish signal. So I took buy, it started to go down. So I really know that trade. I texted here. It's another some pair trade, I really don't know. But I know the same happens, okay? And I understand if this low got broken, I thought to enter again, okay? But I didn't enter because of fear. Wait. Okay. Came to 50% area. Let me check. It came, okay. This is my take profit level, and I thinking it's still going down. Why I want to close the trade? I keep here my first I kept my take profit level here. Now I kept here, and it exactly took a support little bit here. It's okay. It may go up. It may still come down because we have room. See, these are the support lines, and this is my final take profit level. I'm not going to hold this. This is enough for me. Okay. I took 2-3 trades here when it doesn't prints to my direction. Because of this, I am scared to take trade here. I could enter here, I could enter here, but I didn't do it. Which I want to improve myself, which I want to learn myself, okay? What I really want to say is this swing trades can play inside intraday plus swing entries. Okay, this happens every time, and this gold trade also went well. This 1:2 trade. Broke the structure, came to correction, and I just closed here. Just closed here within this 30 minutes candle, 15 minutes. That's a 30-minute candle close. I exited when this trade, and it went down. New started, came up. It did, but I think I should have entered here because see, there is 1, 2, 3 touches. Okay, we formed a support here. We came. Okay. When it started to broke, we act as a resistance. We came here, we started to go down. When we broke up, we came down, it took support and started to go up. I should have waited to Asian session to form this type of structure. I should entered around here with this 30 minutes bullish candle. So you can see it's in Asian started, we printed a 30 minutes candle, we retested and we came and we form a support. It would be a nice trade if I took that. But I didn't took, but that's okay totally. And I'm still waiting for this structure to happen. Selling here, that's all. We manipulated here, broke down, breaking up. Now I'm waiting for this to happen. Okay, these are my trades. It is going quite well. And I really want to say this, okay. It's like a head and shoulder pattern, whatever you say. Okay, I right now saying, okay. No, not like this. Let me see like this. Okay. This should be the proper way of. This is the swing high. I am doing this. Okay, this is going to be my swing entry structure. Okay. It's full of 4 hours. Okay, this is my total all entry. If it goes into minor, we can play in 15 minutes too. It will be very fast. We couldn't take this trade every time I saw it, but we could capture here. It come like this, but it will respect that 15 minutes. It may go up to this 15, keep a little bit weak, and it will fall down. You can play inside here, okay, or it may not be printed. Okay, you can see clearly in EURAUD we got a beautiful structure. Okay, we came to the golden zone, we have beautiful structure down. But if you see in CAD JPY, CAD chef, you couldn't see properly any trades. See this. Would you enter this trade if it's happened? We broke high, we need to come down, but we consolidated and broke up. Consolidated, broke up. Consolidated, broke up. Okay. My enter should be at here and it will be nice. For a swing trade, it will be nice. Okay. For intraday plays, it may happen like that. Okay. I just want to identify what it is doing and enter it properly. And finally, I'm scared for this entire week. You can see in every video I was scared, taking this trade, taking that trade, getting it, stopping loss, everything happened. But right now the trade is going well, so I am end of this week I am happy.